How you doing? This is Tommy from Green Rhino Carpet and Tile Cleaning, and we're going to do some travertine today. We use green safe, hypoallergenic, and effective cleaning solutions and neutral base products, so neutral pH, just above neutral pH, so we're not going to have high pH issues, and still cleans excellent, as you're going to see. We're going to go ahead and scrub with our agitating machine here. It's a CRB, counter rotating brush machine. We have the towel brushes on there, and it's going to scrub all this up real good for extraction. So much soil being picked up off of the floor. Okay, so we're going to go now that we're done cleaning and we've got fans going. We're going to go along the transition with my little hand tool there, take our tape and stuff off, and just get the moisture out of there, because a lot of times you get the cleaning and the carpets get wet along the corners. And so what we do is we kind of go across that and make sure all the moisture's out, so we don't get any wicking. Wicking is when the carpet pops back up and you get like browning along the edges. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and take care of that. Let this keep going for a while until we get it a little drier, and then we're going to put a finish, or we're going to put a seal on it, but it's enhancement seal. So there's two ways to seal it. You can either do it the right way, actually use diamond pads and polish your stone to where it has that high gloss look to it, like hotels have and stuff like that, or you can put an enhancement seal on it. It protects it, and plus it gives it a little bit of shine. So that's the cheapest way of doing it. Customer's going to go ahead with the enhancement seal, and we're going to get that done, and stay tuned to see how beautiful that shine looks when we do that.